All right, we got the box and all laying inside. Everything is just temporary. But check out the display on this. It's got a switch that you can click between your readouts. It's trying to glare, but in person, these readouts are so clear. So check this out. I hope you can see it when you pull your lights on like at nighttime. Check that out. I have to say that is absolutely beautiful. It lights up the digits in the back. Turn it off, no digits, just numbers. Pull them on, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. All right, we got the gas tank and all back in. You can see that the fuel gauge is working and it is full, but we were messing with it, checking out the colors. This one here suits the truck. White hot, ice white. I mean, this is what a little extra money will buy you. A little bit of, how do you say it? I ain't gonna say it's easy money because he works hard for his money. Man, they got a lot of, I like that one right there. Anyway, this thing will do all kinds of stuff. Still playing around. Check that out. You can switch it between the settings. Oh, that one there's nice. Tells you when to service it, timer. That's the one I'd probably keep it on right there.